welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will teach you how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant that is going to help your e-commerce business to resolve the product-related queries. Okay, so without wasting any more time, I will show you how this amazing assistant is going to work in real time. Towards this AI bot, I will ask my first question. So my first question is, do you sell long-lasting or matte lipsticks? Okay, so let me ask this first question towards this AI bot. And as soon as I've asked the question, it will take few seconds for this AI assistant to reply back to me. So I'll wait over here. And you will see right over here, I've received the message. Yes, Lushberry offers a wide range of long-lasting and matte lipsticks. You can explore various shades and finishes from brands. You can see where the brands are written. Okay, I have my next question, that is, do you have skincare products for oily skin? Okay, so this is another product related inquiry that I have. So I'll ask this bot. It will take few seconds. Absolutely, we have dedicated oily skin collection under skincare. It includes oil control cleansers, mattifying moisturizers, and lightweight sunscreens from trusted brands. Okay, I have my next question, that is, can you suggest a moisturizer for dry and sensitive skin? So this is my last question I will ask towards this bot. So I will wait for the reply. Sure, for dry and sensitive skin, I recommend a dermatologist tested moisturizers are fragrance free and hypoallergic. You can see right over here I've received their reply. Okay, so as now this bot is auto replying to all my queries, this is how this AI assistant is going to work in real time. And without wasting any more of your time, I will dive into the creation of this AI assistant. Simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Over here you will have two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow, not just explore it, you can purchase our plans, our lifetime deals or our yearly deals. And if you want very good discounts on any of those deals, you can check out the code on the screen. I have mentioned it, with the help of which you will get instant discount on your yearly or lifetime purchases. Okay, so now if you're an existing user, simply sign in from here. And then you will see the All Pabbly app section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. And then you will see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply from the panel go towards this AI assistant section right over here. Now if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video links added in the description section below, where we have given you a step-by-step guide of how you can set up your account. With that, what are the features that we provide. Okay, so now to create an AI assistant inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add AI Assistant button, and firstly we have to name our assistant. So for the name of my assistant, I will give it as WhatsApp AI Assistant for e-commerce product support. Okay, so this is the name of my assistant. After naming this AI assistant, now over here we have to complete certain sections in order to create this amazing bot. Okay, over here you can see these are the sections that we'll complete one by one. Firstly, the AI instructions. We have to select the instruction type. I will select my type as AI agent. If you want to select any other type, or you have to create your own custom type, you can definitely do that from the drop down. Okay, instructions over here, as soon as you will select the type, the instructions of that specific type is going to appear. If you want to eliminate or add in few of your points according to your different requirement, your business requirements, you can definitely do that. Under AI configuration, first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies, 1 being the creative reply from AI assistant to customer. I want the reply between 0 and 1, that is 0.5. So I will select the temperature as 0.5 right here. Next we have to select the AI to use. You can currently use OpenAI only, so I will select OpenAI. For the model, I will use GPT-4o mini. If you want to use different model, you can definitely do that. Next we have to enter the API key. This key is the key that we can get from our OpenAI account. And remember, to create the assistant for your business, you have to have a paid OpenAI account, and then only you can create this AI assistant. Okay, I will go towards this hyperlink, and that will take us to the API key section of our OpenAI account. It is a direct link that we have provided. I will generate the token from here. Let's suppose for the name over here, I will write it as best project. Select default permissions. I will give all the permission and create the token from here. Simply copy this token over here and paste over here in this API field and click on this connect button. This is how you create the connection of your OpenAI key and this AI assistant. Okay, Next, we have some assistant settings. If you want the messages of this AI assistant should have a header and footer fixed, you can add in those header and footer from these buttons right here. I do not want that, so I'll simply skip the part. Stop keywords. So if you want to give your customer a chance to stop the help of this AI assistant, you can enter the stop keywords over here in the field. My stop keyword is stop, so I will enter the word and press the enter key to save it. Okay, so this is how you enter the stop keywords. You can add as many stop keywords according to your requirement. If you want the retry attempt, you can definitely do that. Now over here next is fallback message. This message is only going to be forwarded when this API token is not working of your OpenAI account. Okay, if you want to make changes in this message, you can definitely do that. I do not want that. Okay, next is knowledge source. Now this is a very important section of this entire AI assistant. Knowledge source is a documentation, a knowledge base in which you have explained about your business. As this bot we are creating is for an e-commerce store which helps for the product inquiries. So I've created a knowledge base in which I firstly described about my business, and then I have added the details of all the products, the prices, what are the services. I have mentioned each and everything in that knowledge base right here. In order to add the knowledge base over here, click on this button. So this is my computer and this is the knowledge base that I've created. I will upload that knowledge base right here. I will show you the exact documentation right now. So this is the knowledge base that I've created for my Lushberry business. It's my e-commerce store for beauty and personal e-commerce store. You can see right over here. I've explained about my business. With that, I've explained what are the products that I give, what are the services that I give. I've mentioned each and everything in this knowledge base section right over here. So you have to create a knowledge base like this, okay, and upload it like this. If you want to check whether the knowledge base is uploaded or not, in this knowledge sources you will see the vector ID of your knowledge base. That means the file has been uploaded. Two types of files Pabbly Chatflow currently accepts, that is TXT and PDF. If your PDF doesn't have any image, there is no limit, but if the PDF has images, the 10 is the limit of that PDF file, the pages. Okay, now next over here is assistant interface and styling. These two sections are required if you're adding this AI assistant on your website, on your e-commerce website. Okay, so right over here if you want to change the text, like okay, so like my brand name is what, it's Lushberry. So what I'll do is I will simply add this Lushberry name over here in place of this your brand name. You will see it's updated right here. If I want to change the thing like the subheading, initial text, you can add into initial text right over here. You can change it also. If you want this powered by Pabbly, you want the hyperlink, you can change the details over here. And last is user first message. So let's suppose the user is sending the message from their side, not from this assistant interface section. What will be the first initial message that you will receive? You have to enter that initial message over here. Okay, next is styling. If you want to change the color, logo or anything from this interface, you can definitely do that from the styling section. Okay, the assistant has been created. This is how simple it is. In order to activate this AI assistant, toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here, and automatically this AI assistant will be saved and activated. Okay, so as now this AI assistant has been saved, if you want to add it on your website from this embedded section, you can definitely add it from your website right here. So now let's test this AI assistant again. Towards this AI assistant from my WhatsApp number, I will send in another query that I have. So let me ask another question. So this is my WhatsApp and my question is, do you have perfumes for daily wear? Okay, so let me ask this question towards this bot. It will take few seconds for this bot to reply. I've received the reply, yes, we offer a lovely selection of perfumes suitable for daily wear. You can find options like body mist and lighter fragrances that are perfect for everyday use. Okay, you can see right over here, this is the message I've received. I have another question, that is, do you offer makeup tools like brushes and sponges? So this is my last question I'm asking towards this bot, and we'll see whether we'll receive the reply or not. Yes, we do. Lushberry offers variety of makeup tools including brushes, blenders, sponges and professional makeup kits. Okay, you can see this how this AI assistant is going to reply to all your leads or customers' inquiries on WhatsApp. And did you see how simple it is to create this AI assistant? Now, if you want, this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to all your contacts that you have in your account, in your Pabbly Chatflow account. In case of that, how you can enable this AI assistant automatically? Simply go to settings and inbox settings option right over here inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And after that, scroll down and you will see the section that is AI auto reply settings. Enable this button on from here. You have to select the contact list, a specific one. If you have, you can select that specific one. If you want all contacts should be enabled this AI assistant with, select all the contact list from here. Then select the AI assistant from this drop down. This is my assistant. I will save this section. As soon as I will do that, automatically towards all my contacts, this AI assistant is going to be enabled. Not only that, if you want, this AI assistant should be enabled to a particular single contact in place of the entire contact list. In that case, what you can do is, you have to simply go towards the settings section of your Pabbly Chatflow account from here, and you can see over here in any of the contacts you will select from here. Simply toggle this choose AI assistant button over here and select the AI assistant from the drop down that you want to assign, and automatically towards that contact that AI assistant will be assigned from here. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. The code on the screen will help you to get instant discounts on your yearly or lifetime plans with Pabbly. Okay, so go ahead and do purchase it and automate your WhatsApp conversations with a simple AI. Okay, if you have questions or doubts related to this AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.